How to see YouTube account password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you see your YouTube account password on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, on the iPhone, you have the application password. Simply you'll have to open that. After you open the password app, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top, in the source field, you'll have to search for the Google account from where your account was created. Now after you find your Google account, simply tap on that. From here you can tap on password. After that, you can just copy or view your Google account password from where your YouTube account was created. So this is the easiest method to view password of YouTube account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.